Look at his tree frog shirt.
Yeah. Oh, he wants to get back down there to eat. Okay. Let's do this so it's easier for Mama. Okay. What's that camera? What's that camera all about? Oh, you are excited about this milk. You are so kissable.